Sixth problem, C bit. Given f of x as minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. So, we have to find out in which interval this function is increasing and in which intervals the function is decreasing. So, first let us find what is f dash of x. So, f dash of x is nothing but minus 6x square minus 18x minus 12. Now, to find the turning points, first we equate f dash of x as 0. So, when we equate f dash of x 0, minus 6x square minus 18x minus 12 is equal to 0, dividing throughout by negative 6, we will get x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. On factorization, we get this one as x plus 2 of x plus 1. So, the two values of x are minus 2 and minus 1. So, the function is taking a turn at 2 points. Excuse me. So, let me draw a number line. This is suppose origin. Now, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and etc. This is up to minus infinity this side, and here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to infinity. Now, the turning points are minus 2 and minus 1. So, the function is taking one turn at minus 2 and again another turn at negative 1. So, the whole system, number system is divided into 3 intervals. One is minus infinity to minus 2, one interval, and another interval minus 2 comma minus 1, and the third interval minus 1 comma positive infinity. Now, we have to find out in these 3 intervals which interval the function is increasing and in which intervals the function is decreasing. So, for convenience let us take 0 and substitute in f dash of x. So, our f dash of 0 is here 0, 0 minus 12. So, f dash of x is less than 0, negative, where the interval where the origin is there. So, the interval where the origin is there, in that particular interval the function is decreasing. So, origin is there in this interval. So, at this interval the function is decreasing. So, the turning point is at minus 1. So, from minus 1 to minus 2 it increases again. Then from negative 2 to negative infinity it decreases the function. So, the function is, we can write, the function is increasing. The function is increasing in the origin, it is less than 0. So, here decreasing function, here it is increasing, again it is decreasing here. For x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2, x belongs to minus infinity minus 2, that is this interval, minus infinity minus 2 union minus 1 comma positive infinity. The function is below the x axis, that is negative y axis. So, the function is decreasing, and for x belongs to the interval minus 2 comma minus 1, the function is increasing. In other way, how can we write? The function is increasing when x is between minus 2 and minus 1, the function is increasing. When the x values are less than minus 2 and x values are greater than minus 1, the function is decreasing. These are the two ways of giving the answer. Problem number D, 6th D bit. F of x is given as 6 minus 9x minus x square. So, our f dash of x is, differentiation of 6 is 0, differentiation of minus 9x is minus 9, differentiation of x square is 2x. So, now our turning points are f dash of x equating to 0, minus 9 minus 2x is equal to 0, implies x is equals to negative of 9 over 2. Now, the number line is divided into 2 intervals. One is x less than minus 9 by 2, another one is x is greater than minus 9 by 2. That is, turning point is at minus 9 by 2, that is minus 2, minus 3, minus 9 by 2 is nothing but minus 4.5. So, we will have our turning point is at minus 9 by 2. here the turning point. So, we have to check. So, the interval is divided into minus infinity comma minus 9 by 2 or minus 9 by 2 comma positive infinity, or x is less than minus 9 by 2 and x is greater than minus 9 by 2. So, the whole real number system is divided into two parts. So, this is up to negative infinity and here it is up to positive infinity. So, we will take origin and we substitute and see in f dash of x. So, f dash of 0 is coming as negative 9. So, where the origin is there, at that particular interval the function is decreasing. So, the origin is there in this interval. So, the function is decreasing here and the function is increasing here. So, the function is decreasing when x is greater than minus 9 by 2, decreasing here. So, here increasing, or we can say when the function is, when it is origin it is decreasing. So, here it is minus infinity to minus 9 by 2, the function is increasing, and for negative 9 by 2 comma infinity the function is decreasing.